The time is 12:01, and you just got notified that you're going to pass away in the next 24 hours, so you didn't sleep. You, overnight, walked through the city from corner to corner. You saw the prosperity, saw the darknessness, and saw the common ordinary. You're eating at a bagel restaurant, saying that there is more to life than what you're accustomed to. Countdown 18 hours. Unconsciously, it's 6 a.m. You want to see the sunrise near the park that's close to your house, but unfortunately, it's still raining lightly today. You wrote this plan last year, and at that time, you still thought you had enough time. Countdown 16 hours. You play the game that you've always wanted to play. This game card is on the corner of your shelf. There's a brief dust covering the game. Every day you're stuck in the loop of working. Now you finally have time to be with them. Countdown 14 hours. You called your favorite friends that you have not contacted for a long time to go to arcade to hang out. They are all surprised that you asked them to play together. This thing was talked about over a month now, but you're always the one that have time issues. Countdown 12 hours. You called your favorite music teacher and talked about his life. He told you that the dreams that he had in high school.
For the longest time I wanted to become a pediatrician, but I just, even with all the classes that I took to try to get there, it wasn't really a good fit for me. And then this career was one of the more natural things that I could do well.
Countdown 11 hours. You rode the bus that takes you home. Even though you just live 50 miles away from your house to your parents, but every week you would always say that you're busy. This is the 6th time you go home since you have been working in the past 1,451 days. You always thought going home anytime is not too late. Countdown 9 hours. You visited your grandpa's grave. This is the first time you have sent a bouquet of flowers in a while now. In your memory, he's always nice to you. But when he passed away, you're still working hard far, far away. Countdown 8 hours. You saw your long-time no-see parents. They're surprised for your sudden visit to home. You give them a big hug and explain it's holiday. The last time you hugged them like this was the time when you received your college acceptance letter. But the 6 years after that, you have barely told your parents the happiness or sadness of you. Countdown 6 hours. You started to clean up your room. You found your figure under your bed. Read the book that you haven't started reading yet. Watch the episode that you always wanted to. Countdown 2 hours. You took a long and relaxing bath. Wanted to sleep early before your death. You slept on really soft bed with a perfect AC temperature. Thinking about starting from when you have not treated yourself good. You have a lot of things you wanted to do, but in the end, you didn't do anything. Your whole life as if it's trapped by something. What is this? Is it money, fame, rules, arrogance, self-abandonment, sensitivity, fragility, social phobia, suspicion, childhood shadows, racism, family, poverty, love, responsibility, reputation, memory, or yourself? In a daze, you did not find an answer and eventually fell asleep. But luckily, you still have many 24 hours of life left to do things that you wanted to do. But this time, you thought rather than dying, there's nothing that can trap you anymore.
机会都对每个人来讲都有机会，你不管在什么时候，你都有如何来把握，能不能把握好这个机会？无论在什么时候都有机会。